In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. In discourse analysis, I told you about turn taking and its components. Today, I'm going to teach you turn stealing. What is meant by turn stealing? What is the example of turn stealing? But before going to define and explain turn stealing, we must know about interruption in turn taking and also TRP. Listeners and audience, TRP is actually referring to transition relevant point. Transition relevant point is also known as transition relevant place. It is actually a point in conversation where a change for turn is possible. Where a change for turn is sure. What does it mean? It means that whenever a speaker is speaking and the listener is listening to it, and another listener comes to know that now the speaker reached to the ending point in his conversation, and then he wants to begin. So this is called transition relevant point, where in conversation the change for a turn is possible and sure. On the other hand, the opposite of it is interruption. Interruption in turn taking on or in conversation means that whenever the listener who is listening to the speaker, that listener does not wait for the TRP, for the transition relevant point, it is called interruption. So two speakers are there, one is speaking but another speaker does not wait to his turn and does not wait to TRP. So this is called interruption. Now let's come to turn stealing. Listeners and audience, turn stealing means that when there are two speakers, one is speaking and another is listening, but the listener is too much emotional and he actually does not wait to his turn, and due to his emotions he does not wait for his turn. This is called turn stealing. So now I hope that you know about these three concepts: interruption, TRP, and also turn stealing. That when a listener or a speaker does not wait for his turn and wants to start speaking without waiting to the transition relevant point due to his emotion, this is called turn stealing. So now hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.